record for sure, baby. That's a new record for sure.
Well, we started with the stock airbox and want to finish it with the cold air intake, so not too shabby. We still got more races going off, but my point and goal was to run 15 seconds any way I could. 777, he was all over the track. That was a good run. So the goal was to run 15 seconds any way I could. We wound up doing that 3 times, ran 15.9, 15.91, and 15.92. I am over the moon about that. Thank you to DiabloSport for the i3. That thing was a beast. Absolutely loved it. The tune, the 93 octane tune, was perfect. That's what got me over the hump. Hey everybody, welcome to the video. It's your boy BigLockDaddy. On today's video, we're gonna go into the newest piece of equipment that I've got for the Charger, and that would be this right here, the DiabloSport i3. Time to tune this Charger up and see what she runs down at the track. As you can see, we got our cold air intake there. We're gonna be putting that back on the vehicle and running it. Went out and got an extra mass airflow sensor too, so we don't have to sit there and play around with switching out airflow sensors. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the Charger right now and take her to the track, see how she does. If you've never done a cold air intake install, they go quickly. This video here is sped up, but it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get this thing fully installed. And it's not really that much of a hassle. You can see it's a few screws and boom, she's in. And now she's looking good, she's ready to roll. You know, I've taken this cold air intake out and put it back in a few times on the car. And if you remember, we switched out the stock exhaust for a new Total Flow dual exhaust, which makes a big difference in how this car drives. And while I may not be the most capable welder, they don't call me the butcher for nothing. Up to this point, the performance power tune chip has been great, but I need more power, so we're going to install the Diablo inTune i3 tuner right now. Alright, I got that ready. Now it's time for a little tunage. It's writing the tune. Now the reason I'm reinstalling the 93 is simply because I changed out the cold air intake from the stock box to the new aftermarket Kai cold air intake. So we'll see what kind of effect that has on the motor, and then we'll be track ready. Take this puppy down to the track tonight and turn some numbers, see if we can get our 15. We can always hope. And you see how fast it writes. I've heard people say 6 minutes. This ain't taking no 6 minutes. Did I remember to hook that up? Okay. This could be a good thing. Let's see. Big lock dumbass remember to... No, he didn't. So I loaded up my pit crew / video crew for the evening, and we took a trip out to Orlando Speed World in Bithlo, Florida for Whoop Ass Wednesday Test and Tune. Alright boys and girls, we are here at the track, Orlando Speed World. Tonight we are running, and we're getting ready to get underway here. Alright, here we go, baby. Matched up against a Hellcat. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but 2, 1, go. Oh, no! There he goes, right by me. No, Monica! think it's my best time ever, but it ain't my worst either. I'll take that. He totally let me out of there first. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Survey says, oh yeah, I saw 1097. That wasn't me. 1607 again. Oh man, 240 on the reaction time. Here we go. Oh yeah. No, no. Make sure you walk up with me.
Sir, have your window up, sir. Sir,
All right, Camaro, come over.
Your window up, sir.
Shitty burnout, man. I forgot to turn the traction control off. Come on, baby. Come on. Fudge noodle. I thought I had him, man. I thought I freaking had him. Oh, that was the best race I had of the night. If I had a little more on that start, man, that 231 60 foot. Oh, the 230 would have been the best. I don't think I got into the 15s, man. Thanks, Kat.
You're welcome.
No way! New record for me! 1587, baby. There it is. 1587. Oh, look out for the cone. Wow, my freaking reaction time, horrible. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It's gonna be the last race of the night. We're loading up against an RT. We're trying to keep it cool. Oh, I see what's going down. Yeah, so I am getting the RT. Give him the thumbs up. He's gonna roast me. He ran a 13.7 last time. We'll see how it goes, though. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. 3, 2, 1, go. He red lit. He red lit. 229. Come on, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. New record. New record. New record. New record. Come on. 1357 for him. God only knows what for me. Oh, that was a good race, though. I felt really good. He got the jump. He was all amped up. In the mail. She is busy tonight. Thanks, Kat.
You're welcome.
Time was new best record. There we go. 1578. Yee-hoo! 1578 at 88.36. Tell you what. And now I'm back to my old ways. That's freaking sweet, yo. Well, wasn't that fun? Had a great night here out at Race OSW, Orlando Speed World. Ran a 1578. New best time at 88.36. I'm nothing but pumped. Had my track crew out here tonight with me. Thank you to them. Thank you to you all for subscribing, and don't forget to smash that like button. Mad props to my camera crew for tonight. You guys were the best. Pit crew, camera crew. Yeah, there we go. Team BigLockDaddy. You know how it is.
What'd you say?
Coming up in the next video, we're going to install our brand new Ported Throttle Body and see what kind of faster times we can run at the track. And hey, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.